Machine learning is like giving your computer a brain. It learns from data and improves over the time. And no, it doesn't take your job yet. The term was coined by Arthur Samuel in the 1959, who said, "Let the computers learn without explicitly programmed. Let the machine figure it out, we are tired." ML comes in three flavors. First is supervised learning. Supervised learning is like you are given labeled data like photos, cats and dogs, and the model learns to map inputs to the outputs. Think of it as study with an answer key. Second is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is like no labels, just the raw data. Model tries to group or structure the chaos, like organizing your messy desktop folders by file type, but in a smarter way. The third is reinforcement learning. It's like trial and errors, getting rewards or penalties. Basically, it's the machine version of touch stove, get burned, and don't do it again. Let's talk about the machine learning algorithms real quick. First is linear regression. Finds the best straight line through the data points to predict continuous outcomes. It is a simple, fast, and still shockingly effective. If you talk about the second, that is decision trees, splits the data into the branches and based on the features like flowchart, easy to interpret but get messy if not truant, like your family tree. If you talk about the third algorithm, that is K nearest neighbors, classifies the majority vote by nearby data points. No training phase, just pure lazy learning, like copying answers from the desk of neighbor. Fourth is support vector machines, tries to draw the widest margin between the classes with a hyperplane, fancy name, powerful results, and not always beginner friendly. Fifth is K means clustering, that groups the data into the K clusters by minimizing the distance from the centroids. It's the you all kinda look alike algorithm. Last but not the least, neural networks. Inspired by the brain, they use the layer of nodes to learn patterns, from recognizing faces to generating music. Powerful but computationally hungry. ML workflow includes the collection of data, cleaning it, choosing a model, train that data, and then evaluate and deploy it and pray it works in the production. Pro tip: if the bad data leads to the bad model, and that leads to the angry boss. If you talk about the tools, use Python because everybody does. And with the tools like scikit-learn, PyTorch, TensorFlow, and new besties like pandas and numpy. In short, machine learning helps machine learn. Human stays lazy and businesses look smart.